What's up, guys? So, ooh, look at this meat. We're going grocery shopping, guys. I say as I slap the meat. Mom, I think this is a good meat. Oh my god, look at that guy. I like the wiggle. Okay, stop. That's actually so childish. Oh my god, where's my Budak noodles? Budak noodles. I see limited edition Oreo things. Go check that out. Wow. Oh my god, it's true. What's up, Mom? Ew, what's that? I just want to feel it, Mom. Oh my gosh, it's John Pork. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is John Pork from Forsaken, guys. That's why you don't mess with 2 times. Look at all of these John Doe things. John Doe would be thick. Oh, look at this. This is what happens to John Doe players when there's a 2-time called me there. Yeah, I'm joking. I really suck. Wait, no. When it's Veronica. Now you guys better back off. Cool. I haven't paused this once. Mom, can we go to Starbucks now? What do you mean, This is I chopped, but he's bound. Oh my gosh. Mac and cheese. Ooh, I love mac and cheese. Hold on, what is this? A dip. Wow. Fresh meat. What the heck? Wine. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's turkey. Monkey. What the heck am I talking about? Mom, come on. Starbucks. Ow. I'm gonna title this burps and then hashtag Sigma Slay. Yeah. I'm gonna do that for the other one. Bye bye.